Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Path of Kung Fu game crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, open it. And guys, here you will see all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol. And on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU. So make a right click on all of these that are useless, that are consuming the most of your RAM, and then just click on the end task. Then just go to the startups apps on the top, and guys, here just disable all of this because these are the applications. So when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So obviously when these applications are running, your game crash because there is a lot of CPU or RAM usage. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next setting is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows side, type here the privacy settings and open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down and look for the background apps. Just click on that. And guys, here just turn it off. If this option is on, then just turn it off because this application consume a lot of CPU or RAM on your PC and cause your game crash. So just turn it off. Now the next setting is the system configuration settings. So go to the Windows search, type it and open it. And guys, once the setting was open, now here you will see the services on the top. Click on that and just check this box of the hide all Microsoft services. Then just disable all the services you are seeing here because these are the useless services and consuming the most of your system RAM or the CPU and causing your game crash. Then go to the boot on the top, then just click on the advanced option, then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, just select the maximum, then just click on OK, then just click on apply. This will increase your game performance. Then just restart your PC, and after the restart, this setting will fix any kind of crashing or the shutting problem on your game, and then launch the game. Your problem will be fixed definitely. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.